Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how you can use Microsoft Bing Chat as a marketing assistant. Yes, as a marketing assistant. So what you want to do is log into your Microsoft Bing account and go to this chat function. But before you actually do that, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel so you can get all these tips that we keep showing you to make your life easier. Now, what we're going to do here is ask Bing Chat a couple things, and in all honesty, we're just going to ask it and see what it spits out for us, because I have been using Jasper AI, but I'm just curious to see what happens here. So we're going to ask it a couple things. First is about it creating a social media post. And now when you log in, you will see this part here and you'll see the right part. I guess they're both chat functions. As you can see, you could chat on the left here and you can also chat on the right here. All right. So we have it here. Create a captivating social media post with emojis and hashtags about our new Instagram marketing service. Okay. And let's see what happens there. So you click send after you type it in, and as you can see, that isn't working as we would like it to, as it's just spitting out all these kind of things. What's this? So stop responding. Okay, I'm going to go to the right here this time, to the chat function on the right here, and actually do the same thing. And we'll see what happens again. And so we've sent it, ask me anything, stop responding. Here we go. Here's a captivating social media post for your new Instagram marketing service. We are excited to announce our new Instagram marketing service. Our team of experts will help you grow your Instagram following and increase engagement with your audience. With our proven strategies and techniques, you'll see results in no time. Interesting. So as you can see, this is the right chat. It gives us some more, gave us all this stuff with hashtags and the emojis. But right in the Bing chat here, we just got a whole bunch of this stuff. So I don't know what's going on, but as you can see, on the right here, we get that. It also asks for follow-up questions. Get more relevant responses. What are some of your proven strategies? How can I sign up for your service? What are some of your success stories to add there? Okay, we're going to move on now. Next thing is, let's say we want to create a workshop. If I had an assistant and I needed a workshop, let's say we want to create a workshop, an agenda for a workshop. So let's go here and type in, create an agenda for a workshop called How to Use Your iPhone to Edit Videos. Okay. Let's see that. So we're going to create an agenda. We're going to hit the send button here and see what happens. Again, this is using Bing Chat as our marketing assistant. Okay, there it is. Here's an agenda for a workshop called How to Use Your iPhone to Edit Videos. Introduction to the iPhone video editing app, overview of the app's features, how to import videos into the app, how to trim and split videos, how to add music and sound effects, how to add text and captions, how to apply filters and effects, how to export and share your edited videos. Amazing. I think that's pretty cool. I think that's pretty cool. So again, it's just not to create content, but to help you out. So we created content here, but this is something you would tell your assistant to do. Okay, let's see if we could maybe see if we could get hashtags. Let's just see. I would imagine that. So give me 10 hashtags that I can use for a post about growing your business as a successful entrepreneur. Let's hit the send button, see what happens here. Okay, it's responding. Oh, there we go. Here are 10 hashtags that you can use for a post about growing your business as a successful entrepreneur. Okay, entrepreneur mindset, business growth, success mindset, hustle hard. These are really, really cool ones, as you can see. That's pretty cool. Let me see. Now, let's ask for topics. Again, this is Bing Chat. That we are asking as a marketing assistant. So give me 3 YouTube video topics. Talk about growing your YouTube page for monetization. All right, we're going to hit the send button here and see what happens. Wow, that's pretty cool. Here are 3 YouTube video topics. Talk about growing your YouTube page for monetization, how to optimize your videos for search, how to promote your videos on social media, how to collaborate with other YouTubers to grow your audience. Now I'm going to go in here, the next chat, and also type that in here again and see what happens if it gives us the same response or different. Because the first one gave us all this stuff that we didn't know what was about, but it gave us a good response here. So let's see. Oh, wow. Okay. This is really, really cool. So I would like to say that using the chat, being the chat function on the right, might actually be way more helpful than using it on the left. For now, who knows, that might change. But as you can see, that's how you can use Bing Chat as a marketing assistant, by asking it different things. You could ask it to create content for you. You can ask it to create, give you ideas, and you can ask it to give you topics and whatnot. So hope this was helpful. If it is, again, like and subscribe to our channel so you can get all these cool videos that we make to make your life easier. Take care.